Joliet, Illinois. Joliet Police Department responded to a gas station disturbance call. A subject refused to leave after the property manager directed officers to remove her. The encounter resulted in arrest and raised significant questions of constitutional and statutory law.
Did you guys see what happened at all? Because I know you guys were all together. What
I wasn't trying to intervene. All I'm saying is,
I don't even know.
all I know is that
whose dog is it?
we don't know.
We don't know because
we were walking that dog earlier, but we don't know.
Okay,
we really
you don't know.
No, because me.
All I know is she's crazy.
As soon as we got here, I saw her walking with a dog, and then I saw him screaming with a dog, So we don't know.
So who hit? Did you see anybody hit each other?
The dog is mad.
I don't know.
It's what?
It's his.
It's his? Okay.
But
can I get your name?
No.
I'm not testifying.
No.
Okay, so you're telling me it's his dog?
I saw him walking with a dog, and as soon as we got here, I saw her, hey, you like my new dog, and I said,
You're supposed to
we said nothing. What the fuck you tweaking on?
This is about my dog.
Hey,
this is about my
watch
dog.
out, watch out, watch out.
Watch out
This is
for
my
what?
dog. That's it. You guys are adding more for me.
Watch
I
out.
want to know if I can go so I can get the fuck on about my dog.
You gotta wait a minute.
I know, sweetie. You told me, but all this extra shit going on now. You guys are worrying about extra shit instead of my fucking dog. I want to know about my dog so I can get the fuck on and see you in court, pussy. Monday morning. Oh wait, it's already Monday.
She's still trying to get on some.
Oh, put that big no. You got.
Just stop.
I got.
Hey, just stay here, okay? Just don't even. It's not even worth it. It's not worth it. All right, just relax. All right, it's not worth it. Huh? Okay, well, it looks like he's probably going to.
I wanted to hurt him.
There ain't nobody messing with him.
What's wrong with that man?
You get the fuck about fucking fool. Fuck him, dude. He's a fuck.
Sorry, officer. I didn't mean no harm.
You're good. I just don't want to see a fight. That's it. So I appreciate
You
it.
better keep that motherfucking nigga in check, bro.
Hey, we're trying to separate
I
everybody.
ain't trying to start no shit.
All right.
I don't know what the fuck his problem was, but
I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, guys. Where's your friend at? Where's your friend at? You guys have to go. They don't want you at the gas station, okay? So you guys gotta go.
I wasn't even.
I don't care. Go.
I don't care.
Okay, so go. No, you're not gonna use the bathroom. So I need you to head out now. Or you're gonna be trespassed. And you're gonna go to jail. So come on. Come on. Go.
I'm gonna wait for.
You can wait outside.
He's
Come on.
in the bathroom.
You can wait outside or you're gonna go to jail. This is my last warning. Go.
The park's looking clear. We're gonna check the area.
Go or you're gonna go to jail. Come on. You wanna go to jail?
I have to go pee.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so go.
I wasn't messing with anything.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so
I
go.
wasn't part of anything.
You're gonna need to go.
I wasn't
Okay,
a part
where's your
of
ID?
anything.
What's your name? What is your name?
I wasn't a part of.
I don't care.
I
They
don't
don't want
care.
you here. So what is your name?
Who doesn't want us here?
What is your name? The guest staff member, the manager, does not want you here. So go.
I don't think. I think he wants me here.
He doesn't want you here. Do you need to go in handcuffs to realize that he don't want you here? Okay, you're gonna go in handcuffs. So turn around.
Hey, bitch. Hey,
Turn around.
wait, wait,
You're gonna go.
No.
You're gonna go in handcuffs.
No, lay off of me. Lay off of me.
You're gonna
Lay off of me. I will. Lay
Stop.
Lay off of me.
babe!
No, I will stop it.
Stop resisting.
My phone. I will. Wait, okay, I will.
Put your hands on your back now! One caution, trespass and resistance. Get out. Now. Leave who you're coming with.
No,
hand off.
No! Ah! You hurt me! Stop hurting me, bitch! I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong! God damn it! I have to pee! I have to pee! I didn't do anything wrong! I'm innocent! Why you think?
Double lock.
You just a dickhead! I didn't do anything! My back! I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong, I swear! I'm innocent!
No, not yet.
I didn't do anything, I swear to God!
All you had to do was leave.
I'm innocent! I swear! I'm just there! I am just there, I swear! I'm sorry. I don't have anything, I swear! I don't have anything! I'm in dickhead because...
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have anything. Get away!
Stop!
Stop!
Not gonna tell you guys stop.
My back! I'm sorry!
Then quit moving!
I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
Stop
I don't
moving.
like you, Joanna. This is my first time.
Well, then maybe you should listen. Should have just left.
You should have done anything.
No, have a seat. Have a seat. I'm not gonna tell you guys.
You know, come on. Can't you fucking listen? I haven't done anything. Any fucking thing. Do it, bitch. Come on. Come on. Have you fucking done anything? Come on, bitches. I haven't fucking done anything. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent here. I'm only one that's innocent. I haven't I have not been. He's doing bitches. Honestly, like, what the fuck, man? Oh, fuck you. I am not bad. You know what? I have to fucking pee, bro. I have to pee. I have to pee. I have to pee. I've never been under arrest before. Do you see what I'm saying?
Well, first time for everything.
Shut the fuck up.
You told me you were going to get arrested, too.
Huh?
You told me earlier you were planning to get arrested.
First of all, I had to go pee. Hey, cop! Hey, bitch ass, the one that's fucking being put in Pinocchio without a fucking pussy.
And this is why you're in jail.
You know, fuck you, honestly.
Okay.
You're fucking like... You're fucking like a dick without a... You know what? I am trying to be. I'm trying to be nice. You can just let me go right now.
Legal Issue 1. Criminal Trespass. Under 720 ILCS 521-3, trespass requires remaining on property after receiving notice to depart from an authorized representative. The manager's directive relayed through the officer satisfies the statutory notice element. Probable cause for arrest was legally established. Legal Issue 2. Right to refuse identification. Illinois has no general stop and identify statute. Prior to formal arrest, a citizen cannot be legally compelled to provide identification. The officer's ID demand at that stage lacked statutory authority. The subject's refusal was lawful. Legal issue 3, First Amendment protection. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987, and Cohen v. California, 403 U.S. 151971, profane speech directed at law enforcement is constitutionally protected. Offensive language alone cannot form an independent basis for arrest. Legal issue 4, use of force standard. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989 requires force to be assessed against 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, and degree of active resistance. Trespass is a low-severity offense. Physical resistance was the controlling factor here. Legal issue 5, resisting arrest. Under 720 ILCS 53121, resisting or obstructing a peace officer is independently chargeable regardless of the severity of the underlying offense. If the trespass arrest was lawful, physical non-compliance during handcuffing constitutes a separate criminal offense. Legal issue 6, civil liability. Any complaint of physical injury made during arrest creates an officer obligation to document and provide access to medical evaluation. Failure to do so creates exposure under 42 U.S. C. Section 1983. A Section 1983 claim requires a tangible constitutional deprivation, not merely an unlawful request. Key lessons. 1. Officers must know state stop and identify law before demanding ID. 2. Protected speech, however offensive, cannot justify arrest. 3. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest creates independent criminal liability regardless of personal belief in innocence. 4. Injury complaints in custody must be documented to limit civil exposure.